True cleansing has clear and fast, lasting results. That means that you start today, you're going to feel it today. You're going to feel it in the course of a week. You're going to have fabulous results, and they're going to last. You stay the course, and they will last. Now, we don't want to cleanse to just go back to the way we were living before. What would be the point? I mean, I know a lot of people do that, and they think I'm going to just make up for the holidays or a vacation where they were overindulgent or some period in their life or a wild night by cleansing. But we don't want to get into cleansing that way. We want to get into it because we know that we want to live a life every single day that is exceptional, where we're clear and we're strong and we're happy. We don't want to go back to doing things that disserved us. Why would we want that? So think about that as you embark on all of this, because this is not about having a quick fix to go back to something that was harmful to you. And as you experience this, it's only going to get better. So instead of dipping your toe in and saying, okay, this works, but I'm going to go back to what I was doing before, I'm going to use this maybe as a tool that I want to use now and then, wait, keep going. See how much better it gets. See what your potential is. Give yourself a chance. Give it several months and then decide. And then I can guarantee you're not going to want to go back. I mean, you might falter now and then. You might get tempted, but you're going to have a very quick turnaround because you're going to realize that's not what I want anymore. I've moved on from that. So the effects of cleansing are clear and fast, and they're lasting. They're not only lasting, but the potential increases all the time. The experience of you tapping in and experiencing your full potential is constantly increasing.